News. Today we're gonna talk about the contamination of Sonora River in Mexico. And to talk about this topic, we need a specialist. So, welcome to Samuel.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. How you doing?
Great. How you doing, audience? My name is Sam Leon, specialist in the robotic construction and specialist also in AI. Thanks for
Wow,
having me.
that's amazing. Well, I want to start with the topic asking you when was this disaster occurred?
This accident occurred on August 6th of the year 2014, actually just 5 years ago.
Yeah. Actually, it's anniversary, if you know.
Whoa.
I want to know what were the causes of this disaster.
Well, allegedly, and I have to say allegedly, it was an accident caused by, again, allegedly, a storm.
Whoa, Buena Vista is really good, you know.
Whoa, indeed, good sir.
I want to know how many liters were spilled.
3,000 liters of sulfuric acid and heavy but hefty metals.
Wow, that's really dangerous.
It is.
And if it's really dangerous, I want to know what communities were affected.
What communities were affected? I'll start you off with a list. We got Aconchi, Areispe, Banamichi, Bavicorra, Amesoli, San Felipe, and Ures.
Wow, and just to confirm what type of industry caused this? Like,
Well, I'm gonna start you off. It was a mining industry, and it was actually called Buena Vista del Cobre Grupo in Mexico.
oh, okay. So you know that Buena Vista y Cobre Mexico is one of the biggest industries in Mexico and the
Whoa.
world.
Is it really?
Yeah. So which other inorganic compounds polluted the river?
Well, I don't even know where to start. There's so many things polluted into the river. 74.8 tons of metals have been introduced into the ecosystem as a result of this accident. And mainly iron and aluminum, which is 83%, followed by magnesium and zinc, which is 8%, and copper, sulfate, and sulfuric acid, making up the other percentage.
Wow, that's a big amount of chemicals, you know.
Yeah, I
And
know.
in my opinion, like this is gonna affect really in the economic of these communities. But in your opinion, how this will affect them?
Well, in my opinion, this is gonna have a long-term traumatic effect it's just gonna be awful. It's just gonna be absolutely CATHOS, however you spell it, catastrophic to the environment. And I just can't see a future with this type of accident just being let loose. You know what I mean, man?
Yeah, and I don't know, where the toxic wells were in the river. So then after the river, they spread around the area. So you think that the communities are gonna be affected like in? What are you laughing at?
I'm just laughing at how ridiculous the situation is.
Yeah, like, it's a really stupid mistake, you know.
Yeah, it's awful.
Well, and the land, like the farmers, you think that they are gonna suffer a lot?
Agriculture will be punished tremendously by the inflammation and the gargantuous repercussions and proportions of toxins that have not only damaged the waters in which we bathe and drink, but the water which nutrites agriculture in total. So, to answer your question, it's gonna be awful.
Yeah, and so I want to know the chemical formula of the compound that was spilled in at the river.
Well, in order for me to tell you that, I'm gonna have to bring in one of actually your special guests today, right here.
Oh, here it is. Oh my God, Mr. Big Guy.
This
So-
this right here.
It's the other way, man.
This right here is expert physiologist Jaime, and he is from the University of Harvard. He has been studying there for about 10 years now, and what an impressive fellow you are.
Wow, that's real amazing. Well, just before you go, I have one last question. Let me search for it. Oh, then Okay. How much time will it take the area to recover it fertility?
Now, if it's treated correctly and no more contaminants enter the river, it should take, if let me if I had to make an exact answer to that,
Yeah.
I would say not one, not two, not three, not four, five,
Five.
but five.
5 years.
Five.
Wow. Well, I think that after those 5 years, people will still don't trust on that area.
No, I will never eat a carrot
Yeah.
in Mexico.
That will affect their economy. Well, thanks, man.
Hey, pleasure talking to you.
Yeah.
You have a blessed day. God
Yeah.
bless you.
Well, Sammy is really intense, right? First of all, could you move right here, please?
No problem.
Okay, so now we're gonna talk about the Volkswagen scandal. We are about the chin and the emission test. My first question is how did Volkswagen manipulate the test? Uh, yeah.
Volkswagen manipulated car model years 2009 to 2016 with a few devices so it showed better results in the emission of N.
Wow. Okay. That's really serious, right?
Yeah.
I want to know how many devices were affected.
Volkswagen has admitted that about 11 million cars worldwide.
Well, and it's really responsible from them that they admitted that they cheated. What type of pollutants are released to the atmosphere?
Heating air in an engine produced nitrogen oxide, which included toxic nitrogen dioxide, greenhouse gas nitrous oxide, and nitric oxide.
Okay. Okay. What is the purpose of nitrous oxide? I think it's for the cars to have more power, right?
Yeah, it is to the car have a great power in the motor, so it can have great results.
According to the IUPAC rules, what will be the name of the compound and how will we, no, I'm sorry man, and how it will be classified?
Its name is dinitrogen monoxide. Nitric oxide is a free radical, but it should not be confused with nitrous oxide, an anesthetic.
Anesthetic, yeah, really confusing though. How does nitrogen dioxide affect the environment and health?
Breathing air with a high concentration of NO2 can irritate human respiratory system, so it can cause asthma.
Oh, okay, so it's really dangerous.
It's a big problem.
Yeah, and to the
uh,
environment?
And nitrous oxide in the atmosphere contributes to nutrient pollution in coastal waters.
Oh, okay, and what of these chemicals affect the ozone layer?
Okay, there are the chlorofluorocarbons and other halogens as chlorine and bromine are mainly responsible for the chemical ozone depletion.
Okay, and well, question: how is Volkswagen going to report this damage?
Okay, first the boss of Volkswagen, Michael Freund, accepted that they made a big mistake, so it is so sorry. Also, Volkswagen launched an internal inquiry to the new models, and it is helping monetarily to this damage.
Wow, really good. First of all, I think that it is really good that he like accepting that he make this
Damage.
yeah. Well, the time is over. Thank you very much. See you in the next time.